Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix autoplay not working in Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows. Go to your Bluetooth and devices, go to your autoplay and make sure that turn on the autoplay and close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type as services. Open services. After doing this that, find out a shell hardware detection. Open it and make sure that it select automatic start the services and click on apply and OK button. After that close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type go to your settings of your Windows, go to your notifications, and after doing this test go down and find out a autoplay and make sure that autoplay is turned on. So turn on the autoplays and click on the close button. I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your Bluetooth and devices, go to your autoplay, turn off and turn on the autoplay and select ask me every time and make sure that select a memory card is also ask me every time. So select it and close it. After that, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a control panel. Open control panel. Select a small icons. Go to your autoplay. After doing this test, go down and click on restore all defaults. Select it and close, save and close it. After doing this set, I hope your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.